Most people know about a will, but very few Jamaicans know the difference between a living will, a regular will, and a trust fund. Let me break it down. A will only takes effect after you die. It tells the court who should get your land, money, or property, but it has to go through probate, a long court process that can take months or even years. A living will is different. It works while you're alive. It's mainly about medical and personal decisions. For example, if you get very sick and can't speak for yourself, a living will tells doctors and family what you want done. A trust fund goes even further. It protects your assets while you're alive and after you die. Once you put money, land, or business in the trust, it belongs to the trust, not just you. That means faster access for your children, less family fighting, and in many cases, tax protection. So think about it like this. Will, who gets what after death? Living will, medical wishes while alive. Trust fund, protect and pass wealth with control while alive and after. That's why the wealthy often use all three. Now, let me ask you, if you had to choose just one, which would you set up first? Will, living will, or trust fund?